In this video, you'll learn how to add webhooks in Lovable. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the interface of the Lovable platform, allowing you to integrate webhooks effectively. To begin, navigate to the Lovable website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Lovable. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface where you can access various features of the platform. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Ready to Build, Shangri-La. This button is typically positioned prominently on the home page. After clicking it, you will be taken to a new screen that presents options for project development. Once this screen appears, look for and click on the option labeled Prompt. This selection will direct you to a section where you can manage and create prompts for your projects. Ensure the page is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. After that, find the option labeled All Projects and click on it. This action will display a list of all your existing projects. It is important to verify that you are on the correct screen, as this is where you will choose the project you want to add webhooks to. Now, choose a specific project from the list displayed. Click on the project name to access its detailed settings. Make sure you note the project you are selecting, as this will be where your webhook integrations take place. Next, within the project settings, click on either Chat A or Prompt, depending on your preference for integration. This will lead you to the relevant section that allows for web configurations. Wait for the page to load completely before moving on. At this point, type in the phrase integrate with webhooks into the designated input area. This action will help you find specific settings related to webhook integration within the platform. Ensure that the text appears correctly before proceeding. Following this, click on the option labeled Thinking. This will initiate a process where the system will begin to analyze your query. A loading indicator may appear, so please wait for it to finish processing. Once that is complete, click on Reviewing Webhook Integration Approaches. This will present you with various options and methods for setting up your webhook. Review the choices carefully to ensure they fit your needs. Now, click on what kind of webhook integration do you need. This will guide you through different types of webhook setups available. Take your time to read through the options provided. After that, select Receive Webhooks. This step is crucial, as it defines how your application will handle incoming webhooks. Wait for the system to confirm your selection before continuing. Next, click on Submit. This action finalizes your webhook integration settings. Be aware that depending on your internet speed, the submission process may take a moment, and a confirmation message should appear once it is successful. Finally, click on Reviewing Web Context and Approval Status. This will allow you to check the status of your web context and ensure everything is set up correctly. Make sure to review the information presented here thoroughly. That completes the process of adding webhooks in Lovable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.